All right, everyone, welcome back. August 6, 2026, and I have some information, some stuff I want to show you that we've had under our noses this entire time, the whole year basically, because the video that I'm going to show you that gives us a visual that no one has really picked up yet. In fact, I got it wrong myself, and this is something that's going to put a lot of questions back on the tent itself, because that has been my main focus in this entire investigation with Charlie Kirk. And not to waste any more of your time, this is exactly what we're looking at here. At first, we all thought that this was a projectile that went up and hit the top of the tent behind Charlie shortly after he was shot. This is not a projectile at all. What this is a cap. It looks like a cap that is on a tube that is directly over the TPUSA camera. Look, if you're seeing what I'm seeing right now, this is insane, because this cap blows off shortly after Charlie is shot, and it sprays a liquid down right on top of the camera. Take a look at this. I mean, are you seeing what I'm seeing right here? That is exactly what I'm seeing at this moment. And rather than drag this on and give you all my opinions about it, I'm going to let the world dissect this and try to figure out what's going on, because I can only do so much, and putting out a video like this itself is kind of scary on its own. So just to be safe, I'm not suicidal in any way, shape, or form. I love my life and I love everything about it. But things like this can tend to put a target on your back that you don't want necessarily. But I can't think of any other conclusion as to why they would have this set up exactly over that camera, other than knowing ahead of time that this was going to happen, and they were trying to either disable the camera or cause some sort of visual disruption. And if you notice, it's the last camera to be touched, basically. And that's really all I got to share with this one, guys. It's pretty insane what we're looking at right here. And I think that's why this video was only put out to us in a blurry type of version. It looks like it was one of the students' videos. I don't know the history behind it or where it came from, but I do know we had this early on. We had this video early on, and everyone thought it was a projectile hitting the top of the tent, and it is certainly not that. All right, everyone, let me know your thoughts down below. Tell me what you get when you break this down and see it for yourself. But what I see is a cap being released with liquid dumping straight on top of the TPUSA camera. All right, everyone, appreciate you all. Take care. Bye-bye.